This tutorial review will show you how to fix black screen when sharing your Discord on Netflix, YouTube, Hulu. So first of all, you have to turn off your browser hardware acceleration. So open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot and click on settings. Click on the search box and type here hardware acceleration, and then you will find the use hardware acceleration when available options. You have to toggle this switch off to disable your browser hardware acceleration. Once done, relaunch your browser and then open your Netflix or Hulu or anything you want to watch, and keep a favorite movie or TV series ready to go. After you have finished, minimize the tab and launch the Discord app. In the Discord app, click the settings icon beside your name in the lower left corner. Under the activity settings, click on activity privacy and make sure to enable this option, display current activity as a status message. Then click on registered games. Click on add it. Expand the drop down menu and you will see the list of currently active apps. Select the browser on which you have opened your Netflix, Hulu, Amazon. Then click on add game. Now escape the activity settings and navigate to the server where you want to stream the Netflix or Hulu, and then click on stream. Select Google Chrome and select a voice channel, and then click on stream quality and select the option from here and select the resolution, select frame rate and click on go live. And after that, your Netflix or YouTube or Hulu will be start to stream on your Discord without having black screen. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.